All right, Bassett and Braxton. I went ahead and started our email responses or email templates that we're going to use for our offers that we're going to use out of CTM. So this applies to both you guys because you guys are unrepresented investor buyers that do not require real estate commission. This is a selling point that we use that I can't use as an agent because I'm collecting a commission. So we want to put right up front that there's going to be no commission in here. So your email is outgoing email is going to be different than my standard email. So when you're emailing out contracts, you're going to be using this email right here. All right, and we probably are going to tailor this. So obviously put in the agent name. We want to personalize these emails. So if it's going to Jane, for example, well, don't want the parentheses there, but Jane, and probably want to separate those a little bit too to make it look a little better. And then send the offer. Okay, so then we're going to get responses. The most common response that you guys are going to get is, have you seen the property? Braxton and I have already talked about this, and we will probably be adjusting this email. But for now, we can just say we do not need to see the property beforehand. We can respond with this. So anyway, so this is the outgoing email on your offers. Bassett, I want you logging into this email and cleaning this email up. So I'll shoot a video on what I mean by that. So I do want you to do responses to agents, and I do want you to delete out the emails that come in that shows that you wrote offers and so on and so forth. So don't worry about doing that right now. I have no examples to show you. I've already been cleaning up your email for you, but I do want to shoot a couple videos so you're going in and cleaning that up and responding with these different responses that we'll come up with as we go along. Okay, so it'll be very much like how you do your FreedomSoft responses. So we'll start adding this on there. But for now, we can get started. I got your email template set up. I've got your first response going. We'll be adding responses to this, and I'll be adding a training video for Bassett and Braxton, for that matter, on just doing responses here. This saves a lot of time, Braxton, on your end. If we can cover 90% of the responses here, just like we do in FreedomSoft, then let's save time doing it, right? Let's not keep retyping emails that we're retyping 100 times. Let's copy and paste, right? So you both should be on this template. So I got both of you on here, so you should be able to log in and see this. So that's it. So Bassett, if you want to go ahead and start sending out offers again, I've talked to you about making sure not to use the highest comp in a neighborhood anymore. Let's really dial in our comps to make sure we're using really good comps and using recent comps, because pricing is now inching lower. Okay, so we want to make sure investors are no longer looking at comps from February or March. They're looking at recent solds, like in the last 60 days. Not to say we can't use those. Just be aware that you really don't want to just go right to the highest comp, which more times than not are going to be the ones from February and March, when the more recent comps in the neighborhood are going to be, a little bit lower, just because interest rates are going up, pricing is moving down. Okay, so, but yeah, and then we're also no longer chasing properties on busy streets or next to commercial, so we can get rid of those. We're no longer chasing properties in Colorado Springs, Fort Collins. Fort Collins may change. Braxton may move there. If he moves there, then I most definitely want to be chasing offers there. I just don't want to be chasing offers there for right now, because it's an hour-and-a-half drive for me to get up there. But if Braxton's up there, yes, we'll shift that back and have you start writing offers up there as well. So anyways, that's it. So let's start building. Braxton and I will start building out email responses for both of you guys, for all three of us really to use on these. And that's it. So chat later.